A gem of the St. Johns River. Rediscover Palatka. All right, something else we're doing is we're traveling around Florida. Whenever we get to the county seat, we're trying to find the county courthouse. This is 1861, our Confederate heroes to 1865. Although the flag they died to save floats not over any land or sea throughout eternal years shall wave the banner of their chivalry. And it's a Confederate soldier there. Erected in 1924 by the United Daughters of the Confederacy. Okay, but this is the Putnam County Courthouse. Palatka is the county seat for Putnam County, Florida, and then this is their county courthouse. This is the second or third one we've shown you guys. Hopefully we can find them all. Florida has 67 counties. Hopefully we can find all 67 of them. Some may be more difficult than others. I'm just walking over here to see what this is. There's Reese here. This is for 1917 and 1919. This is World War I, erected to honor the citizens who gave their lives in the World War. And then there's about 29 or 30 names there. Looks like about 29 names. They must be ones who are either residents of this county or maybe of the city. I'm not sure. But yeah, one last look at the Putnam County Courthouse.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to help us out by subscribing and hitting that like button. As always, we look forward to your comments. And if you'd like to stay up to date with all our new videos, please click the notification bell. Thanks, see you soon!